We back.
What's up, everybody? We're here for vlog number 2 of our weekly vlog of updates around Universal Orlando. Today we're going to check out Volcano Bay, as well as the Aventura Hotel and the Wet Wild Hotel, which we actually took video of earlier. We kind of forgot to do an intro. Yep. So, plus this makes for a better backdrop. We'll be walking around Volcano Bay and then heading on over to the main resort to check out everything else. And the awkwardness continues.
So this is the unnamed Universal Hotel, or at least some construction. I think this is a parking lot, though. It looks
it's like a parking garage.
But regardless, I feel like Jake Gyllenhaal in the movie Nightcrawler right now.
Alright, as we enter Volcano Bay, we're checking out how Aventura Hotel is coming along. There's a fancy sign saying it's opening this summer, specifically August.
Look at the man hanging off the sign, but it's very windy.
Oh, that's dangerous. Couldn't pay me to do that.
There's a bucket lowering there.
Oh, they're cleaning. Yeah, here's how it's looking. At the very top is where the bar is supposed to be, which I will spend a lot of time when it finally opens. Just doing a quick pan on the ground level. You can't really see the pool area, but this is the pool area. And then over here is supposed to be the food court, and then behind that is the dedicated garage for Aventura. The beige garage is the garage for Sapphire Falls. That's just a whole lot of notes. As we're walking inside of Volcano Bay, you can see they've added roofing. When Volcano Bay opened, they had a problem with, well, rain. And so when people would try to escape the rain and wait for the buses, they would be waiting in the rain. Well, now they've added roofing. And on the other side, it looks like they've pretty much finished it up and added straw to the top. So they just have this left. They have walls up right by the entrance. They're obviously expanding, and I believe this is for more, what do you call it, turnstiles. So during busy season, the turnstiles they currently have installed do get a little bit backed up, so this would be a tremendous help during the summer, especially as the park continues to expand.
But not now, when it's 67 degrees at 4:45 on a Wednesday afternoon when they close in an hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah!
Yeah!
And we entered the park to come around to see the opening shot of the volcano. My God, it's empty. It's a hell of a shot, though. You gotta admit.
Let's see how crowded it is by the beach over here.
You know what? It's dead. There's still a good amount of people here. For what, Wednesday in March, and it's currently 65 degrees or so.
Yes, it is.
Not bad. And it's supposed to get cooler by the time the park closes, so people are definitely wrapping up. I wonder how busy it was during midday. Alright, so full disclosure, I haven't been to Volcano Bay since probably October. These are new to me. I don't know how new they are, but they're new to me. They're slide extenders. That have been added since the park opened. Before, it obviously ended when the slide ended against the concrete. Now it's got an additional 2 to 3 feet.
Like we said, extremely busy here at Volcano Bay. Even Krakatoa is right now.
Here's a recent development in recent months. The Ta'awa Fearless River no longer requires tubes. You now need to wear a life vest. Before you can either do the tubes or both. Now you cannot use the tubes, it's just strictly the life vest. I don't know how I feel about that.
Kind of nice. Let me take my life in my own hands.
Agreed. To prove we are fearless.
In the river
Of Ta'awa.
for Ta'awa.
We're stopping by Makupuhui, which, by the way, translates into wet and wild. Fun fact for you people. Anyways, I'm focusing on the slides, or actually the rafts, excuse me, because they changed again. For a few months after opening, they changed into these honeycomb type slides, which were very uncomfortable to sit in, especially if you were taller or bigger. And there were a lot of complaints because you basically had to use a lot of your core strength to keep yourself up as you go down the slide, and kind of made for a terrifying experience. Now it looks like they have accommodated the bigger people, and now the seats are a little bit more lower down, which probably should make for a more comfortable ride.
Can we just take a second to acknowledge that Krakatoa, honestly, probably my favorite ride in all of Universal Orlando. The most fun for sure, but amazing. If you haven't been to Volcano Bay, it's worth the price of admission alone just to check out Krakatoa.
I will second that. We come to pay respects to Vol.
Hello there.
Hey, Vol!
How's it going?
It's going great. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. You're very overdressed for a water park.
Yeah, it's a little cold, so we figured why not overdress a little bit, just in case.
Fair enough. I mean, it is very cold.
Hey, you've probably been very busy today.
Busy? I mean, no, you should have seen me like 2,000 years ago. Man, people would line up to bring me tributes. There would be gold coins and saucers of milk and wreaths of flowers everywhere.
I bring you a sacrifice.
Oh no, we don't do that anymore.
I don't want to get wet.
No, we haven't sacrificed anyone for like 55 years.
Give or take?
Thereabouts. When you're as old as time itself, the odd year, gets lost.
I can understand that.
There's something you can do for me.
What's that?
Since it's so cold,
yeah?
My theory is Carla isn't awake yet. So when you go outside, you need to yell at the sun, Carla, wake up.
I will do that.
Yeah, just as loud as you can, because, it's freezing in here.
I will do that. I guarantee by Sunday, it'll be no higher than 80 degrees.
My stalagmites are turning into stalactites.
All right, Bob, will you take care of the volcano? We'll be back sometime when it's not as cold. And properly dressed.
Come back anytime. I will be here literally forever.
Yes, Bob. Bye.
Goodbye. Have a good day now.
Carla, wake up.
Best name for a kids area?
Probably. Reef.
Probably,
yeah. Yep. Also a pretty fun kid area that I may have enjoyed a little too much playing in the back.
Because you're a kid at heart.
Yeah, childlike wonderment. Oh, look at that. Officially branded Volcano Bay slipper bottle openers. Ain't that a thing? We are walking through the world's best themed underground tunnel.
It's pretty awesome.
To make our way back to the main resort and enjoy
Islands of Adventure.
I couldn't think of the name.
All this water makes me want to ride Jurassic Park, just saying.
Yeah, we made a mistake. We should have been ready. We came in sweaters and
it's cold, but it was doable.
Yeah.
Plus the park was so empty that it feels like a waste that we didn't do Krakatoa.
We're gonna hold the L on this one. We'll be back though. Now we're in CityWalk, taking a quick peek at VooDoo Doughnut, where good things come in pink boxes. Giggity. Now into Islands, where the adventure begins. Again! Boy, I tell you what, since we told Carla to wake up, she is showing no mercy. It is brutally bright right now.
Low-key, one of the best facades in all of Universal and probably Orlando in general.
Experience? Maybe not so much. Not so much.
But I mean, it's just sick. Absolutely sick.
We're taking a peek from the entrance of the Hogwarts Express to take a look at the construction of the Harry Potter coaster experience. And behold, it looks like we have coaster supports. And a porta potty. And a white truck. Here's a view of the castle that was left from Dragon Challenge and Dueling Dragons. They did tear a little bit apart, but looks like they're going to keep it for the future ride. Panning over from the beautiful Hogwarts Castle. Another shot of the cranes.
So now, they have signs up that say magic at work everywhere.
It's a theme wall, yes.
Okay. But if it was magic, can't they just like flick their wrists and the ride be up like instantly? So I feel like it's like a loophole.
I hate you. shout out to back in the day when you were able to walk down these steps to go board a boat and go into the lagoon for island skipper tours. But not a lot of people knew that. Unless you read us or read other sites.
Did you see a boat? The boat can go in there? They all float down there. Come here, Brian.
Okay.
Hey y'all, we just two dinosaurs fighting over this damn pizza. I'ma eat the pizza. No, I'ma eat the pizza. No, me.
Popeye and Bluto's Bill Drat barges is reopened after its winter refurb. And we forgot quarters. So we can't do the best thing at the park besides drinking lemonade. But I don't think it would have made. Oh, there is people on the ride.
They are clinically insane.
You are brave. Battle bravely. Oh, it's no more. It would seem word has gotten out since our last video. Auntie Anne's Pretzels has the best lemonade.
You're welcome, Auntie Anne.
Sponsor us. Over at Marvel Superhero Island, they have added Black Panther merchandise, which probably has nothing to do with the #1 movie in America for the past 4, 5, 6 weeks. Totally unrelated. That mask is way too small for you.
I am still the Black Panther.
Okay, take it off. Alright guys, that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. Had a good time. Drew, did you have a good time?
I guess.
Sure, we'll go with that, I guess. We decided not to go to Universal because A, not much has changed since our last visit, and B, Mardi Gras starts in 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so. So all the parades are, all the performers are getting ready for the parade. So that means nobody's out. So before we wrap this up, Drew, anything you want to add?
Nope, it's nothing except I really wanted to ride Jurassic Park today, especially since they've just refurbished it, and it could have been good footage for the video, but Brian was afraid of the cold. Aww.
I don't like cold weather. I don't like wet clothes. I don't think
you don't get that wet.
You get a little wet. It's a little cold.
I don't know.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like. Specifically, make sure to comment. Tell us what you'd like to see next time. Tell me if you agree that cold water or cold and Jurassic Park don't mix. And most importantly, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook at Inside Universal, and make sure to go to InsideUniversal.net.